Really like the simplicity of spring cooking. It's a chance for a breath of fresh air. After the grueling winter of root vegetables and just a lot of cellared produce, we have the opportunity to work with fresh ingredients again. And a lot of the stuff is unique to nature, specifically to spring. Both my sous chef and I, Elijah, we both forage on our own in our own time. We pay foragers for us, like my friend Ben from Pink Teepee Farms, and we're only as good as the product that we're getting. Clean your produce well. Know what you're getting into, so you're not misusing a different plant or different mushrooms. So you want to be always safe at the same time, and just simple preparations. Quick saute or a quick grill. Usually it just like lets the vegetable stand out, lets the ingredient just really shine through, and just not overthinking it. I feel like every ingredient has a certain facet to the dish that they can add, whether it's a texture or acidity level or the salt level to it, or even a color standpoint. Start with russet potatoes, 00 flour, a little egg yolk, and Parmesan. After that, it's just creating a dough. You just roll them out into little logs and cut them, blanch them, and then we sear them in a little olive oil and butter, and just add a little stock to kind of make a sauce within the pan itself, because the starch from the gnocchi itself will kind of thicken up like a roux. It's a simple preparation, but it allows the ingredient to shine